Stop trading in the direction of the trend. I know. Every single course, every YouTube channel, every mentor you've heard about told you the exact opposite. The trend is your friend, trade with a trend. You've probably heard it thousands of times. But here's the thing, guys. If trend following was the real answer, why the 90% of traders still losing money? Why do people spend years learning all the right things and still blow accounts after account? I was one of those people, and when I finally figured out what was actually going on, it completely changed the way I trade. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly why the trend is not what makes you money and what actually does. By the end of this video, you will look at the charts in a completely different way. I promise you that. Are you ready to get started? Let's go! Let's start with a big one. The lie that is quietly destroying most retail traders. The trend is your friend. Every educator says it. Every beginner course starts with it. And on the surface, it makes complete sense, right? If the market is going up, you buy. If the market is going down, sell. Simple, logical, and obvious. And here's what nobody tells you. I remember when I first started out trading, I was obsessed with finding the trend. I would zoom out my charts, identify the direction, and then take trades in that direction all day long. I was doing everything by book, and I was still losing. Did you ever have the same situation? You do everything right, you follow the rules, and the market just keeps going against you. That's not a bad psychology, that's not because you lack discipline, and that is because the information you're working with, the trend, is incomplete. You're not wrong, it's just incomplete. And incomplete information leads to losing trades, no matter how perfectly you execute. This is a brutal truth. The trend alone tells you nothing about where the price is doing or going right now. And trading right now is literally the one thing that matters when you open a position. Are you getting this? So you need to trade not in the direction of the trend, but where the price is going right now. But before I explain what you actually need instead, you first have to understand what is a trend really is. Because I can guarantee most people have never thought about it this deeply. So what is a trend? At its most basic level, a trend is simply the general direction of the market is heading on a given time frame. That's it. Up or down, higher highs and higher lows, or lower highs and lower lows. And here's something important. A trend exists on the 5-minute chart as much as it exists on the daily chart. It is not some magic special thing. It's just the market's overall direction within a window of time. Now, most traders hear that and they think, okay, cool, find the direction, trade in that direction, done. But here's the thing nobody actually explains to you. The market never, and I mean never, moves in one straight line. Am I right? Think about the last time you looked at the trending market and it goes up for a while and it pulls back a little, then it pushes up again and it pulls back, then up again, like it breezes. It moves in the waves. This breathing pattern has two parts, an impulse and a pullback. The impulse is the move in the direction of the trend. The pullback is the move against it. And both of them happen inside of the same trend. This is where everything starts to break down for most traders. Because think about this. At any given moment in a bullish trend, the price could be in an impulse phase and moving up, or it could be in a pullback phase and moving down. The trend is the same, the trend will be the same at both times, even when the price is going up or when it's going down. But those two moments require completely opposite trades. And if you're just blindly trading with a trend, you have no way of knowing which phase you are actually in. Does it make sense so far? Just let me know in the comments, guys. So here's where things get interesting. If the trend doesn't tell you what is happening right now, what does? This is the thing that changed everything for me. And I want you to really hear about this. What you actually need to trade is not the trend, it's a momentum. Now, I know those two words sound similar, right? But they're completely different things. And the difference between them is exactly where most traders lose their money. Think of it this way. The trend is like the overall direction of the traffic on a highway. But the momentum is what the car right now in front of you is doing. The highway might be going north right now, but if the car in front of you suddenly hits the brakes, you better slow down too, regardless of what direction the highway is going. The trend tells you the overall direction of the market. Momentum tells you the direction price is moving right now. And those two things are not always the same, not even close. So here's a real life example. Let's say the market is in a bullish trend. Higher highs, higher lows, everything looks great, but the price is currently in a pullback. What does that mean? It means that right now in the momentum is bearish. In this moment, the momentum is bearish. Price is moving down. If you're gonna be bullish at that moment just because the overall trend is up, you're fighting the very move that is happening in front of your eyes. You're stepping in front of the moving car. But when you trade with the momentum, you're riding it. You go with what's actually happening, not what just happened before. Not where the market is generally heading, but what price is doing right now. Can you see how different those two approaches are? I spent a long time fighting the market before I finally understood this. And once it clicked, my entries got sharper, my stop loss get tighter, and my trades started working not because I found some magical strategy, but because I finally stopped fighting the current and started following with it. Are you guys with me? But here's what makes this even more powerful. And this part most people completely miss. Once you understand momentum, something remarkable happens. Every entry model you already know starts working better. Breakouts, supply and demand zones, liquidity grabs, all three of them, any strategy you have in your arsenal tried before, becomes significantly higher probability the moment you apply it in the direction of the momentum, instead of just the direction of the trend. Think about that for a second. Most traders spend years searching for the perfect entry model. They jump from one strategy to another looking for the one that works. But the entry model was never the problem. The timing of that entry was. You could have the best supply and demand strategy in the world, but if you're entirely entering your supply and demand zones during a bearish momentum move in a bullish trend, you are early. The market is not ready for your trade and you will get stopped out every single time. But now imagine you wait until the pullback shows the signs of exhaustion. You wait until the momentum starts shifting back in the direction of the trend. Now you enter the same supply and demand zone, but with a momentum behind you. Completely different results. This is what I mean when I say the entry model is not the edge, the timing of it is. And here's the beautiful thing about switching to momentum-based thinking. Everything gets simpler. You stop asking, what is a trend? You start asking, where's the momentum right now? That single question changes your entire decision-making process. Your entries becomes more precise because you are entering when the price is actually moving in your direction, not just hoping it will. Your stop losses become tighter because you have a clearer road on where the momentum is coming from and where it would be invalidated. And your win rate, it doubles, not because you found a new strategy, but because you are finally trading in sync with what the market is actually doing. Guys, this is not complicated. It's just a different lens. And once you look through it, you cannot unsee it. So let me bring it together for you. The trend is not a lie in itself. The trend is useful context, but this is not a trading signal. It is not enough information to tell you when to enter, when to exit, or which direction price is heading right now. Momentum is the real signal, and once you start rating it correctly, breakouts work, supply and demand works, liquidity grabs works, because you are no longer fighting the market, you're flowing with it. Now, this is important part. Understanding momentum conceptually is one thing, but applying it mechanically on a live chart, trade after trade, without second guessing yourself, this is completely different skill. And here's the thing, there is one final piece I didn't cover today, because without it, even the perfect momentum rating, you will still struggle with entries. Most traders who understand these concepts still makes one critical mistake when they are actually sit down to trade. I break down exactly what that mistake is and how to fix it in the free training I put together. It walks you through a full mechanical momentum strategy step by step so you can copy it trade for trade without any guesswork. If that sounds like something you need right now, click here and watch the next video.